This is the emergency alert system. This is not a test. A severe weather emergency is currently unfolding across the eastern United States due to a catastrophic Derecho event. This storm has brought record-breaking temperatures, extreme winds, and numerous tornadoes. Confirmed impacts include over 225 tornadoes across multiple states. Temperatures reaching 142 Fahrenheit in West Virginia and 136 Fahrenheit in Ohio. Wind speeds exceeding 133 miles per hour in certain areas. This is a life-threatening situation. All residents in the affected areas are urged to take immediate shelter indoors and follow instructions from local authorities. Stay tuned for updates.
Good morning. This is an emergency weather update on June 30th, 2025 at 8 a.m. A catastrophic derecho is tearing through the eastern United States, affecting over a dozen states with severe weather conditions. Here are the latest observations. West Virginia. Temperatures of 142 degrees Fahrenheit, wind speeds up to 133 miles per hour, and multiple EF4 tornadoes confirmed. Ohio. 136 degrees Fahrenheit and 128 miles per hour winds. Significant structural damage reported. Kentucky. 133 degrees Fahrenheit with 118 miles per hour winds. Tornado touchdowns have caused widespread destruction. Pennsylvania. 132 degrees Fahrenheit and winds at 124 miles per hour. Ongoing tornado activity. Tornado warnings remain in effect for these areas. The extreme heat is compounding the danger, leading to rapidly rising heat-related illnesses. Stay indoors, avoid travel, and seek shelter immediately.
The National Weather Service has issued an updated tornado warning for the following states: West Virginia, Ohio, Kentucky. Tornadoes on the ground have been reported moving at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. These tornadoes are capable of catastrophic damage, with flying debris posing a lethal risk. Residents in the warning area must seek underground shelter immediately. If no shelter is available, move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor and cover yourself with heavy furniture or a mattress.
An unprecedented heat wave continues to affect all regions under the derecho's path. These are the current temperature and wind readings. Mississippi, 131 degree Fahrenheit, winds at 115 miles per hour. North Carolina, 130 degree Fahrenheit, winds at 113 miles per hour. Virginia, 129 degree Fahrenheit, winds at 110 miles per hour. Alabama, 128 degree Fahrenheit, winds at 102 miles per hour. These extreme conditions are creating hazards such as falling trees, roof collapses, and widespread power outages. The heat index is dangerous for anyone exposed for even a short time. Stay hydrated, avoid going outside, and find cooling shelters if needed.
An emergency update from the National Weather Service. The derecho has caused widespread destruction. Over 225 tornadoes have been confirmed, along with major structural damage across Charleston, West Virginia, entire neighborhoods flattened by high winds and tornadoes. Columbus, Ohio, tornado touchdowns have left thousands without power and communications. Louisville, Kentucky, hospitals overwhelmed with both heat stroke and tornado-related injuries. Rescue operations are underway but are being hampered by ongoing severe weather. Residents are urged to remain indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. This is a rapidly evolving situation.
Attention all residents in affected areas. Widespread power outages are affecting millions across the impacted states, and communications systems are failing. Local emergency services are prioritizing hospitals and shelters. If you are unable to call for help, use a radio or other non-digital means to seek assistance. Stay tuned to this channel for ongoing updates. Relief efforts will begin as soon as conditions allow.
Emergency shelters are now open in the following locations: West Virginia, Charleston Civic Center, Huntington High School. Ohio, Greater Columbus Convention Center. Kentucky, Louisville Fairgrounds. Pennsylvania, Harrisburg Farm Show Complex. Cooling centers and emergency food supplies are available at these locations. Transportation may be limited due to blocked roads. If you must travel, proceed with caution and follow detour signs.